The Pritchard regimen combines intravenous and intramuscular magnesium sulfate. For the loading dose, give 4 grams intravenously over 5 minutes, using 20 milliliters of the prepared 20% magnesium sulfate solution. Use a septic technique for deep intramuscular injection, and warn the patient she will feel warmth when magnesium sulfate is given. Follow promptly with 10 grams of 50% magnesium sulfate solution by giving 5 grams, which is 10 milliliters of the undiluted 50% solution, in each buttock as a deep intramuscular injection, adding 1 milliliter of 2% lidocaine in the same syringe to reduce pain. If convulsions recur after 15 minutes, give 2 grams, which is 10 milliliters of the prepared 20% magnesium sulfate solution, intravenously over 5 minutes. For maintenance, give 5 grams, which is 10 milliliters of the undiluted 50% magnesium sulfate solution, with 1 milliliter of 2% lidocaine in the same syringe by deep intramuscular injection into alternate buttocks every 4 hours. Continue treatment for 24 hours after birth or after the last convulsion, whichever occurs last. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.